Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leamwai, and in case it's your first time on this channel, feel welcomed, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So as you've seen from the title of the video, I'm going to be taking you along how I prepare for a wedding cake order. So today is on a Friday, and as you can see, I'm ready. Yes, I'm at my place, so I'm ready. It's currently 7 a.m. So I'm headed to my parents' house to continue with the baking. I started baking yesterday on a Thursday, so I'm just going to finish up, then start decorating because the cake has to be ready by tomorrow, Saturday, 12 noon. Yes, so I am making 200 cupcakes. This is the highest number of cupcakes I've ever had to make at a single take. Yes, so it's been quite interesting, and I hope that I can tag you along and you see how the process goes by. So I'm just going to be leaving right now, then we'll continue with the day. I'll show you how far I have gone with the progress once I'm home, then you can carry on with my day. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more content, and let me know how it goes for you. So let's see you at home. So I've arrived home, and as usual the gate is closed. I think by now I should be having my own spare key, but I've called them, they're going to open for me. Yeah, then I didn't wear a sweater, it's cold. I underestimated the weather today. Yeah, so this is my look, just something casual. I have sweatpants and a shirt. Yeah, so let's get the baking continuing. So I'm home, I'm ready. So I have like 3 more rounds of baking the cupcakes. There is also a main cake I'm going to be showing you later, or maybe I can attach the video over this one. Yeah, so that's the progress so far. I'm putting the cupcakes in the boxes as you've seen, so that the moisture content is still there. But now I'm left with around 3 more rounds of baking. So here's my setup. Yep, so Hey there guys, so I'm officially done with all the cupcakes. There are 200 in total. It's like the highest number that I've ever had to make, but finally I'm done. Now it's all about decorating and creating the toppings. Yes, so it's currently raining, so I hope that KPLC will not do their thing, but I'm hopeful. Yeah, so here they are. Let me just give you a better shot of it, but I'm so happy. I'm proud that I've been able to manage it like all alone. Yeah, it's been a labor of love. So in case you have an order for cupcakes, especially corporate or wedding or an event where you want to serve your guests cupcakes instead of having the main cake that is cut into slices, feel free to hit me up. My IG page is known as Caked by Leah, and I'll also leave a link down below. Yay!